Big up Crosses TV.
Cross is Steve will almost reach over here already.
Cross is Momo. So Momo has children. And I get beaten from man. And the kids are in the house watching that domestic affair. You sure see why you never call children aids by yourself? Children aids, hi, my name is Momo. I am sick all the time and depressed all the time. As soon as people start cuss, I start to talk. Oh, she's making me. Oh. Children aids, hi, my name is Momo. The man in my house is beating me rock steady. Why the blood clot you never raise your hand when you call children aids drunk, bro? Why you raise your hand? So you have the children in the house and watch your man licking at your dirty blood clot. Oh my. Mother's dirty mama. LL. Dirty mama. But I forgot. Your mama never said no example. I push she didn't sell. How about that? You think me I come out and say your mama didn't take drugs and she had a bad needle? Nope. You think me I say your granny or your mama or one of your our mama or our father gave her AIDS and she born with AIDS? No pussy, she didn't have blood clot cell. Because I could have said a crack needle she use. Pussy she sell. Remember, Momo, you have HIV for the longest time. In America, you're there. So when people have HIV, there's medication to hold that shit down. So your mom forgot to take her medication. Oh, I forgot. In America, you don't really have any insurance if you're not walk. If you're not blood clot walk. So what happened, Momo? With all of the degree, you couldn't buy your mama some medication to save her life? In dirty Momo, you couldn't buy your mom some medication to save her life. Hey Momo? Hey Momo? Right now, Momo. Are these things when me go fill up now and clean up now, Momo? Hey Momo? And from this Momo, me go take the money out of the fucking thing, Momo, and me go deposit that blood clot, Momo. Yeah, Momo? You get me, Momo? A business we run. When I out here and joke, Momo. A generational wealth, me say blood clot, Momo. It's so good, Momo. So you can't style me no blood clot there. Go away. Go and make that man start beat you and start a business with your so good. And leave me the fuck alone, because me never see you. Anybody who hate me or like me can tell us, me never call your name and trouble you. Never. I don't see you. You're crazy. I don't see you. I hate people who find themselves in a people problem. That means you're misery. Misery likes company. And you're walking dead because of the curse of your mama. So me not look like people like Uno. And especially that you come out and say you have anxiety problem. Me not see your mama. Me more feel sorry for you more than if you all rub your right blood clot now, but you're right. Who the fuck is 43? Now put a blood clot age for me. Suck on mama. Take your age and move and go on. You want to come and tell people how old they are? Are you crazy? You're my mom. You're my father. So good, Momo. Are you have me? You couldn't have me, bitch. If you were my fucking mother, or if you were supposed to be my mother, Momo, then I jump. So good, Momo. You can't teach nobody nothing over here, so. Momo, nothing about you. You're not run a business, Momo. You work for somebody. Momo? You work for somebody. Same like me when me go on my night shift. And me now go back to work until Tuesday. Momo. When me go back on Tuesday and go to work, Momo, me come clock in for your dirty blood clot and clock out. And what do you, Momo? Momo, me I retire before the age of blood clot 65. Me I tell you. Momo, since me invest in the pub, Momo, me get back my money already, Momo, just to show you. Momo, we not joke about ya. Momo, I don't sell everything like the rest of the people them out here, Momo. Different things, Momo, over here. We're versatile over here, Momo. And Momo, me never come and advertise the business because I never had to. Because every money are good money. Me never want to know if you know me pub them, Momo. Because I don't want a business from Uno. So you bother me for again, Momo? So every day Momo is on the live and we never hear Momo with her children. Every day, Momo tell people to go look after their kids and I catch news from people, but Momo in the house and make the kids them see when the man liquor and her blood clots. So Momo, you're a hypocrite. Momo, right now, you live a double standard. And I mean, say to the Momo, I say, Momo, me not be malicious. Momo, you come and say the man beat you. So when you go rub me, please come and tell the people them say that you say. How would you like me to play to you? So girl, I get beaten and won't come talk to me. Girl, come out and put her mom up on full pledge. My mom died from AIDS and you want come talk to me? Girl out here, what claims that she have degree and I drive Uber and want come talk to me? Your mama, go and collect your food stamp and chill the fuck out. Since you come from Jamaica, you recruit all of the money that you got Jamaica go spend? All of the thieving things where you thief and sell? In dirty Momo? Momo, you have a business on Amazon? You always a shop on Amazon that's gone to you. Do you have a business on Amazon? You can partner up with Amazon, you know, so good. So just to show you, you know, no business ethic, you know, no ambition. Man, I beat you and you can identify, so that's domestic abuse. You have anxiety problem and your mama blood clots in out her pussy drop and dirty blood clot, tumblerbug blood clot, shithouse Momo. Dirty Momo will look like a lump of black shit. Momo will look like a constipated shit. Momo who wants to slap with shit, smell like shit, look like shit. Who the fuck you play with, Momo? You think this a cash queen? Ain't dirty girl? Leg off a blood clot me and hand me, bitch. Cause if me a dead, me no want you pick me up. And if me a dead, me no want to drink a water from you. You look dirty. You look like blood clot the woman was turning a pillar of salt. Mama who's a walking dead. Mama who needs to be put in a coffin near a blood clot mommy. Dirty mama will come preach about her mama but nah hand out no condoms. And not talk about safe sex. Move from here some Momo. Time when I print t-shirt and I put up people's face. Go put up some condom. Safe sex please. So good. Go put up on your page. It's not okay to be beaten by a man. The man don't love your Momo. Momo, I really believe that you have to get a man that pay a check that what you get from Uber. They look at what you get. Momo, no man now show up on you. Momo, you hold up your pussy. See, it's my pussy. And my pussy fat. Oh, Momo. That's the only thing you gotta show people. Everybody has show pussy out of Momo. There's no difference with your pussy. Cause your pussy now stop the man from lick you. You're so-called fat underneath. Now stop the man from cuff your buff buff, cuff a cuff, cuff a cuff, cuff a cuff, cuff, cuff in your blood clot. You know stop them. You know stop him, you know? So I could imagine that Momo has to do a threesome and bring all kind of woman to the man. Momo who under lock and key will get lick and kick. Momo will get kicked like keeping up. Eh? Momo will get kick up like keeping up. Keep up, kick up in your blood clot, dirty Momo. Momo who's getting kicked up like a football. Like a soccer. And then Momo come tell the whole world, man, my man ready in box me now, me more boxing in your blood clot mouth, yes, and blood it up. You chat too much, lick you again, boof, shut the fuck up. So me not have to come and talk to you, Momo. Me not have to beat you from over here and drape you. You have a man in the house who will beat you in front of the youth them. So you see the next time you go press your life for gifted and call children aids or anybody else, call children aids by yourself. Children aids, my name is Momo and I'm calling children aids on myself because my man is beating me and I don't know what to do. And he's beating me and my daughters are seeing this. Can you please help? Help me please. Suck your mama, Momo, your dirty blood clot AIDS victim, mama. Dirty stinking old Momo. Momo was black. Imagine her crutches and her crutches blood and her blood clot panty seat. Imagine when Momo take off the shirt, the whole of the neck part blood clot black. So could Momo when you take off all your bra, it black. Momo, you coming like blood clot charcoal in my fire pit in my backyard. So could Momo. I mean, you come out. May they trouble you? When me no trouble girl, me come and rub out your blood clot dirty hole. Cause me never trouble you. Momo go watch a stiff blood clot jaws were black. Momo go beard, stop change your clothes and no beard. Momo no wipe up, go beard. Momo no go tidy, go have a shower, go sit down in the bath and soak off the sulfur. And the bruise them off of your blood clot when the man ready for cuff you in your blood clot. Beating stick, Momo. Change your name to beating stick. Momo, a morning when me get up, me go find a beating stick and some bruise and paste it on my phone and put your blood clot name underneath it. Beating stick. Dirty Momo. Momo, me go write your name on one piece of stick. I swear to God, Momo, me go get one piece of broomstick and broke in half and write your name on it. And every time your blood clot run your mouth, me post the blood clot stick when the man a lick you. So the man a beat you, me a beat you with the stick over here. Dirty Momo. So we about me for? Me the trouble you? Now back to your raw mouth candy. Candy was smell like her ashtray. Candy mouth was smell like her body wall. Candy were in a kitchen I do here and the married man never show up. Candy where the married man come and rub out her wall and never give her no rent money. Candy where over there have 1 million page and still can't come up with her rent money. Candy over there where post up post all over and never give post none of the revenue. Candy where out there thief all diary content and not give diary none of the money. You're not a good friend. Suck good Candy. So you can't tell me no dear Candy. Candy, you're worthless and a 1 penny you have. Candy, your breast them hang right down to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Candy, me can use your breast and play skipping rope and double blood clot Dutch. Dirty Candy. So can I go now, Candy? Can I get back to the business, Candy? Can I stop at the bank or drop off the money, Candy? Can I get back to my business, Candy? Yo, people, listen now. It'll get late, you know. And I'm going to go finish up my prep. Finish up what I'm doing and go back over my blood clot house. You feel me, Dirty Candy? And Dirty Momo, a business we run Momo and Candy. We're not in a no chattings, we're not out here jerk. And a chicken we out here jerk. A business we are run. Enough time you come for me, Candy. Last time you talk about my glasses and you never know it's a Chanel because you know have no name brand and you're not wear it you can't afford it. My glasses more Candy where you always about and bother you, Candy? Is your 1 month blood clot grocery bill. Suck good Candy. You can't chat to nobody, Candy. Go get a life. And go get a man who a blood clot. Mind you, Dirty Candy. Candy, your breast them hang down like some of them African women that will come from Zulu. Hang down. And they have a reason why them breasts hang down. Candy, you look your breasts them hang down like when Cole can't have any more children. So why do your breast them so hang down on a 1 penny you have? Oh, I forgot. All of the penny more you dash. But your file is going to revamp. Because I'm Morgan tell her you dash the belly them. So we're going to come with your file. Dirty Candy. Dash your belly, Candy. Candy when I utilize her health card. Candy who come and run me and talk about healthy smile and Candy never remember. Say me have benefit of work and benefit from my husband. And until now, Candy can go and clean her teeth. The yellow blood clot teeth, them were yellow. Candy, your teeth, them coming like pickaxe, so you're not knock down blood clot tree. Buck teeth, beaver, Candy. Your teeth, them big and buck no blood clot. Instead of you afraid of buck somebody or your blood clot teeth. Job people who have decent kids, people who have a run a decent business, people who have a decent life, they don't come out here to look followers, bro. You don't know when me come, more time we talk about the content, more time we talk about what's going on, and then me kiss my teeth and gone. Now I see why me cannot, now I see why me cannot, hold on. Now I see why me cannot post up my girls them of when them they are gymnastic, when them they are swimming. You know, now my daughter starts soccer. Now you see why? Grand Rising. Now you see why I can't post nothing on my page? Because a bitch like these. Because a bitch like these. She follows me up so much. Here. So this girl follow me up so much. So much she follow me. As you know, come in and I get blood clot black. I'm sorry. Black. 1 minute. Me I wipe off somebody off of the page, because as I come in, me I block on the eye. I swear to fucking God. Block. I'm gonna block all on off of the page. See? Hold on. How much people left on here? Hold on. Block. 1 minute. Me now keep on the blood clot on here, me I tell you now. Block. Me I block all on the mama clot off of this bitch. And I forgot come in my inbox and beg for blood clot come back on here. That me I tell you now. Hold on. Block. Suck on the mother and come off of this. People. Anytime I'm gonna see by now, I'm gonna sit on my phone now because I'm not too long come home. When I know I did over my business last night and then I go back over and go do some stuff because I told you guys I had to do some stuff and I come back over the house. I mean, never know, say it didn't rain so hard. You know, more time I say, it rain hard, but you can't run to your vehicle. People, by the time I go to the vehicle, I drench in blood, clean me for come in and change my clothes. And I bet you by tomorrow now, I'm hoarse. And this is why more time I not talk too loud, because you know when your surroundings, you don't have to argue, you don't have to carry on. Anytime I come on IG and defend myself, you can't hear it in my voice, I lose my voice. I'm not used to coming out here and argue every minute, people. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not used to. So you see that channel she have my face? I'm going to file a copyright strike on it. And let me start it now. Let me start it now. Give me a minute. Because me not like people like to follow me up, especially when I put up my blood clot picture. Me not like people like those, bro. See? All right. Let me get my laptop. A 3 strike a channel get to take it down. I'm going to make 3 page and use a 3 page and strike a channel and take it down. And you see that page where you run with Bagga and carry on? I'm going to take it down. Watch me and you. Because I was boss and me take down on the channel. These are the reason why. I'm going to start blocking, trying to take down all on the blood clot channel. I'm not going to stay here and continue to argue with it now. I'm just going to take down on the blood clot channel like how I do, always do. Watch me on, man. Let me look for the girl and file a copyright strike on the channel here. And take it blood clot down. Because I don't like you, I keep on telling you, don't follow me up. I keep on telling you, don't follow me up. When somebody don't like you, don't follow them up. But because you know, so I really try to find your location before I page your blood clot. So that's why you keep on doing this shit. 1 minute. Because I'm going to find your location for page your blood clot. That's why. Okay? But in the week, I'll know your location. Alright? It's easy as 1, 2, 3, like when I find everybody else. 1 minute. I go up on YouTube, yes, sir. I go file a copyright strike. 1 minute. I'm going to get devious now. More time I don't get malicious, but I'm going to get malicious now because you get too bad now. And you get out a blood clot on. And me want enough time, don't put up my picture over there and don't put me up on your page because I don't like you. And let me tell you how she's sick. She will come, and she will talk about, Los Sanders robbed me, kiki. Just to show you this girl is sick. You think I'm going to be over here laughing if somebody robbed me? You think so? As you know, come in, me a black on her. Me a tell her this. 1 minute. Black. 1 minute. You better jump off if you don't want to get back on me. I go black on you. Yeah, man. Black. Black. Oops, hold on. Me block some people off of the page, yeah. I'm going to wipe down the page and bring it down to what I had it before, okay? So what if you guys can't? And then because me put it, let me show you. I put this page on business because when you want your page, let me go into the secret. Because I know me not hide nothing from you. So you see, when you want for the on Instagram and you don't want, you see every time them report my page, you notice me always get back this page. Let me tell you what the secret is. I'm not going to lie to you. This is what the secret is. You put